Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to block a number on your iPhone. Now if you want to block an unwanted person who is calling you recently, or the unknown person who is calling you recently, and they are not stopping and they are calling you non-stop, and you want to simply block them but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to do so, you need to simply do one thing, that is you need to open phone app on a device which will be at the very bottom of the home page if you have kept there, and that's good. If you have not, you need to simply find where you have kept it. So I have kept it right here, and you will see the number of options like favorite, recent, contact, keypad, and voicemail at the very bottom taskbar. Now you need to select the unknown caller or the person who is irritating you, and you need to find the number and click on the eye like icon at the very right side of the name. So if you click on this option, you will see the option of share contact, create a new contact, or edit name, and all of the things. So you need to scroll down until the bottom of the page where you will see the option of block caller, which is highlighted on red. So you may click on this option, and a pop-up will appear saying you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime calls from the person in the block list. So you may click on the option of block contact, and by doing all of it, you may simply block the contact. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.